Welcome back to Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel, and I'm your host, Fam the Fabulous. For more ideas, inspiration, swaps, and challenges, click the link in the description below to join our craft community, the Maker Exchange, on Facebook. Welcome back, all my artists, creatives, crafters, and makers. Welcome back to the Lovely Lab. All right, guys, so I'm popping on real quick today to share with you, as I mentioned in my previous video, which I'll have up there in my Happy Mail video, that I was going to have a video exclusively to share the contents of this stamp share journal, which was gifted to me, made by Tam of Tam's Journal, and also Tam from Bible Journaling on a Budget. Both of those channels I will link below in the description box. So head over if you want to get an idea of how to make this for yourself. I'm not going to give any of that information away because she does share with you how she's making it. I watched the video. I didn't even know that was for me. Now, I'm super excited that I actually have it. Now, let me just say, Tam, if you're watching, it is going to be very difficult for me to cut these apart or tear them out and use them in a journal. I will, because I do want to be able to see that in other. I don't have these stamps. So it's a wonderful idea because it broadens the images that I'm able and capable of working with. So I definitely am on board and would love to replicate or recreate this very same thing, like a video response, if you will. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to make a video response. So guys, stay tuned. Tam, stay tuned. But in the meantime, between time, let me share with you what she sent in the stamp share journal. And it says, Fam. Now, granted, she stamped all of this on here. And I think she probably was going to have a hard time finding a stamp that has my whole name, Fam the Fabulous. But, you know, it has Fam on there, so I know she's talking about me. It's not a big deal. Anyways, so, okay, so we got some flowers. And now take a look. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me see. Can you see that shimmer? Isn't that cute? Ooh. Birdcage. Love it. Love it. This looks like a Tim Holtz. I forgot the name of the set that has like the designer of basic technologies and what have you. I have a set, but it's not of these. So thanks, Tam. Appreciate that. Now here we go. Look at that. Look, the image itself is gorgeous. And it's on coffee dyed paper, which I love, because it means I can use it on white backgrounds of any color, and it won't be such a stark contrast as it would have been if it was on a white background. And then we have music notes, bird cage. Oh, I love this entire stamp. Paint splatters or ink splatters, a little flower. You see that? And then we have the embossed flower. That's gorgeous. That is gorgeous. A butterfly. Everyone knows I love the butterflies. And I'm sure plenty of you love them too. Dare to spread your wings. Isn't that cute? And then we have the music note. And it's 2 inches. It's a 1.5 inch circle, which I can punch out. Another flower image. I saw her while she was stamping these. I thought it was such a wonderful idea. We got the little ballerina, a couple of insects, some birds, the clock, the teacup. Look at that teacup. Isn't that cute? Oh, the book card. What do you call it? Library card. I don't have that. I don't even have where did you find this stamp, Tam? I would really like to own one of those for myself, but in the meantime, I'll probably scan it in and duplicate it, okay? Typewriter, the fan. How cute is that? Go ahead, Tim. Now and then we have the dress form, and then another butterfly with the glittery, shimmery image. That is pretty. She also said that you could write on one side, use this as essentially a journal. So you have a couple of different options. You can actually use this as a journal, you know, where you write in it each day, or small little notes, which I probably won't do because I want the images. Okay. I've got plenty of writing space, and worst case scenario, I'll just use a regular notebook for note taking. But so this is a wonderful idea, Tam. I think I'm going to get started on pulling some stamps out, and in one of the next upcoming videos this week, I'll probably create a stamp share journal of my own to send back to you, so you can have some images of your own. Maybe I'll even emboss some. Who knows? Might even get fancy with it. Anyways, guys, I hope this has given you an idea, something that you could share with some of your crafty friends, and it's a great way to expand one another's craft supplies, you know, our imaging supplies that we can use in our journals and our card making as well, and scrapbooking. So that being said, guys, if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, go ahead and click that button along with the notification bell so that you don't miss any of the crafty uploads, and so that you can be a part of this lovely craft community. And again, links for Tam's channels and along with her Etsy shop is down below. And don't forget to wear your masks and wash your hands, check on your elderly, and check in on a neighbor. All right, we're social distancing, but we don't have to be distant. All right, and did I say until we're back here again on YouTube, stay encouraged, stay blessed, stay creative and crafting? If I didn't already say so, there you have it. All right, folks, bye for now. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to join the crafty community, and be sure to click the bell for notifications of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Now stay tuned for more from Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. Bye for now.